if we look at this year at the pandemic, has that had a massive effect then on the funding that these companies can raise, and I'm sure there's been some success stories as well.
Yes, have been some phenomenal success stories which we're always highlighting on our social media and our website. But in terms of the key challenge and issue, you've hit the nail. It has been liquidity, it has been cash flow, and while there has been very positive headlines in relation to the Irish Venture Capital Association and also Tech Ireland research on the level of investment this year overall, when you drill down into those figures, you see that investment below a million or below half a million is down. So those early stage startups are suffering in terms of liquidity and investment, and that's because I suppose there's some caution among investors
Yeah.
in terms of in more riskier enterprises, but have huge potential. And that's the other thing about innovation driven enterprises. They have huge potential in terms of what they are offering and what they could offer. But that has been the key issue and trend that we found. Overall investment up, but in terms of those early stage investments, it's down because there's caution with COVID and other factors of what's happening now.
And I suppose a lot of the time you really only do hear about the success stories that come out of it, but you do have a lot of those other enterprises behind the scenes that are trying to raise cash, and hopefully with the vaccine and everything else that's happening, there's a lot more confidence out there. I think Ireland's always punched above its weight in terms of the investment we can attract in to the country. So hopefully with you at the helm, Martina, and with that really impressive, I'd urge everyone to visit the website. That really impressive list of associates that Scale Ireland has. It really is a who's who of the Irish tech landscape.